Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing more dessert egg rolls. Over here on the stovetop, we are bringing 4 cups of peanut oil to 375 degrees. You want to start your little mini frying station before you get frying. I really liked where we were going with the s'mores last time, but the marshmallow just didn't work. So I got this puffed marshmallow cream. And hopefully that will fare better than regular marshmallows. So we'll do 2 scoops of that. And then my mother suggested Nutella. I do recommend eating this with a friend so as not to have all of your calories for the day in one sitting. Okay, so we want to do this like an envelope once again. The difficult thing is obviously that this is mostly liquid. And I have no idea what's going to happen if marshmallow gets fried. Probably nothing bad. But it can't be good, right? Wetten it a little before we roll it very precariously. Ooh, that's not good. That's bad. That's very bad. Let's abort. Wow. That was a colossal failure. I'm not sure how much got cut. This didn't work. At least not well. Let's mix it around a little bit. Put it in the middle of another shell. If you overstuff them, it is hard to come back from that. Let's give that another try. So bring this up. Bring this over. Crimp the edge. Probably want a little more glue there, right? That makes sense. Bring that over. Bring that over too. And then we're going to want to wet that and that. I'll be honest with you, Internet, I was hoping to be on number 2 by now. Okay. There we go. The second one looks like it rolled okay. So that's good. We'll see if it explodes when we put it in the fryer. And because I feel like a rebel, kind of want to try a chocolate peanut butter one. We're just going to pretend like we learned from the last one and do 2 instead of 1. And do 2 instead of 4. We don't have very long, so we should make sure that we roll this really quick. Give that a roll. Try to keep it tight. Okay, so it looks like they do better if you keep them small. We've hit 375, so we're dropping in our egg rolls. Again, notice that the marshmallow one is way more buoyant than the non-marshmallow one. That may mean that there's just air in it when we're done. We'll see if the marshmallow holds up. I'm excited. Oh yeah, you can see the chocolate and the marshmallow really leaking out of the s'mores one. Not a great sign. But we put enough in that we can lose a little bit. Again, not ideal. But also, what can you do? These look golden enough, I'm gonna pull them. Cinnamon sugar while they're fresh. Notice that I tried to put down some cinnamon sugar in hopes that it would adhere. It did not, really. It kind of did, but not really. Okay. Okay, let's see how we did. Woo. That broke apart instantly. This one suffers a little bit because I didn't put any graham cracker in it. Last time I used graham cracker and it really helped to diffuse the sweetness. Secondly, This tastes like a cannoli's redneck cousin. Like, I might have diabetes now. I'm not sure. Just so that I don't mess it up, we're going to go ahead and switch to a fresh knife for the peanut butter. And peanut butter's gone liquid. So serve it cup side. Let's try it. Let's see if it's molten. If you're going to do that, half the peanut butter and use natural peanut butter, because that just tastes like straight cake frosting at this point. It's not bad, but will it egg roll? No. Not in this incarnation. That is good. That I think I've had enough sugar to go back in time. Do new entries into my series on Will It Egg Roll. Give me some more options in the comment below. Again, s'mores one, more refinement can be done, but I like it. Chocolate peanut butter, more refinement can be done, but so far this scares me. And I think our scientists spent so long asking, can we, that we didn't ask if we should. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.